Welcome back to part 2 of the Deloitte Data Analytics interview question. And I hope you already practiced these two questions which I discussed on the last video. So I already provided this three question on the last video. I hope you tried or best. Okay. So now you can match the answer. How we can solve this type of the question. So now third question is the how to insert the multiple value into multiple table in a single statement. Okay. So this is a repeatable question. We also get multiple company the interviewer will they asking this type of the question, how we can insert the multiple value into multiple table by using the single statement. So to solve this type of the question, we need to be use the concept of the last video already discussed, that is the concept of the output. Okay, so let's create the two table. Okay, I'm just creating the two table, table 1 and table 2, and this table will insert the data. So we have two table, table and 1 and table 2, and both the table we have the column id1 id2, column 1 and column 2. Okay, so how you can how we can insert the value. So the magic table, I hope if you remember, when we training session, I when we discuss about the trigger, we already provided the concept of the magic table, and we have two type of the magic table. First one is the inserted, second one is the deleted. Okay, so basically, when we insert the any of the record, for the time being, the value will be available in inserted, and we when we delete the record, the time being for the session, the record is available on the deleted table. So this deleted table we use into the last video. Now because of the inserting the data, we will use the inserted magic record. Okay, inserted magic table. Okay, so now if you want to, if you insert the table, so I'm inserting into table 1 id and id2. So whatever the value got inserted for this session, inserted value will be available into the inserted magic table, and we taking that record into the output, and id1 from id2 and inserting into the table 2, and the value whatever the inserting one column 1 2 column 2, so this value fall insert into the table 1, and then that value was available into the inserted table, and the same value got inserted into the table 2. So if you execute this statement, you can see two record is inserted. So now you can see select star from table 1. Okay, table 1. So now you can see data got inserted here. Now if you select star from table 2, same record also got inserted. So if you want to insert the multiple record, you can give the comma 2 3 4 5. So by using this concept, we can insert the multiple value into the multiple table using the single SQL statement. Next question is find all table containing a specific column name. Like for example, if you go to this any of the database, like for example, if you see, let me so if you had data warehouse is there, so adventure data warehouse is there. So if you can find the select star from any of the table, like dim product. Okay, so if you see a dim product, we have the product key, but there is a possibility that product key is available or the multiple table. So how we can find the how many table we have the product key is available. So to answer this question, we need to be use the a schema. Okay, so system schema. So we have the select star from sys column. Okay, so if you put the select star from sys dot columns, So you will get the all the column name available into this database. Okay, so you can see this is the object name, this is the name is basically we have the column name. Okay, also we have the tables. Okay, so if you can see, tables contain the all the table name. Okay, so you can see this is the dim account, dim employee, dim geography. So table sys dot tables contain the all the table information, sys dot columns contain the all the column information. So if you join with the sys dot column and sys dot tables, you will get the all the column name pointing to a specific table. Okay, so basically you need to be right here the uh, sys dot column c and sys dot table t, c dot object id is equal to t dot object id, and c dot name, c dot is nothing but column name like product key, and t dot table name is like the uh, column name. Okay, so basically t dot name is a table name. Okay, and you can put the order by clause, table name, column name. So you can see how many table we have product key. So basically total 5 table contain the product key: dim product, fact additional internet, product description, fact internet sale, fact product inventory, fact reseller sale. This query code is very useful in the real time also to search the any column name, or if you want to search the employee EMP ID. Okay, so if any one the table we have the employee ID is there or employee key is there, so no nothing is there. So basically EMP, how many table contain the employee key. So you can also find the 4 table contain the employee key. So by using this concept, we can retrieve the all the table information. Now this is a very interesting question. Like if you put the select star from dim product. Okay, so how we can randomly pick up the any of the table, like if you selecting the data from any of the table, like person to person. Okay, we have the table name person, select star from person. So if you putting the top 10 or something, top 100, so you will get the randomly only top whatever we you put it that table name. Okay, so basically to see this to random value. Okay, to see the random value we need to be use the some checksum is there. Okay, order by checksum new id. So new id is basically used to, basically they will provide the some random value. Okay, you can see some random value will be here. Now you can see the first name is the whatever the order is there, it always change. So now Jacqueline is there, so if you again execute, name is changing. So if you want to see the data or different type of the data from the table, we will use this type of the checksum new id call function in the order by clauses. So I hope you understand the how we can solve this type of the question. If you have any doubt, if you have any question, you can definitely put the question in the comment box. Definitely we'll try to answer all these questions. So thank you so much for the watching. Complete this video. We'll meet again next one. Thank you.